How to check Amazon gift card balance without redeeming. Now, if you've ever received an Amazon gift card and wanted to check how much it's worth without actually redeeming it to your account, or if you're planning to give it away and just want to confirm its balance, many people hesitate to redeem a gift card when they're unsure whether they will use it themselves or give it to someone else later. Fortunately, there are safer and simpler ways to check an Amazon's gift card balance without officially applying it to your account, and that is exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. Now, to start off, let's clarify something important. Amazon does not publicly provide a built-in balance checker that allows you to see the value of a gift card without adding it to your account. Now, this obviously might seem frustrating at first, but there are a few practical workarounds. One common method is to use the Amazon's customer support. While they won't always give you the exact number, they can confirm whether the card is valid and sometimes even hint at the balance range. So what you can do is just go over to help. Okay. And once you come over to help, you can go over to their helps sections. Okay. Or you can simply go with something else. Go ahead and log in with your Amazon account and just let them know your issue and they should fix it for you. Okay. Just go ahead and message them on customer service and let them know what the issue is. Let them know your gift card code and they should let you know if it's valid and how much money it has in it in some cases. Another effective method is to use the card within the checkout process. This is a clever workaround that doesn't apply the balance to your account. Here's how it's going to work. Pick any item that you don't plan to actually buy. So let's say I'm going to go with this PC over here. Now from here, you're going to go to buy now. And once you go to buy now, it's going to give you the option of adding the card as a payment method. So add it to your card, and when the payment section has reached, instead of completing the purchase, choose the option to add a gift card or promotional code. Enter your gift card's claim code into the field provided, and if the card is valid and has a balance, you'll see a message confirming that the amount has been applied. But here's the important part: before finalizing the order, simply exit the process and don't place the order. Instead, delete the item from the cart and go back to your gift card balance page. So that is one way. Now, the other scenario is you can go ahead and use the same method and check the physical condition of the card. Look closely at the back, especially the scratch off section, which makes sure the numbers are clear, unaltered, and not tampered with. If it looks suspicious or overly scratched, there's a chance it may have already been used. In those cases, trying to check the balance via Amazon might result in an error. Now, you can again go over to Amazon support team where they have tools on their end to see whether the code was previously redeemed and to which account it was added. And if you've purchased the card directly from Amazon, what you can do is just go over to your gift card order from your account section over here. And what you can do is actually just check in your lists from there on out. It is that easy and that simple. So these are basic, simple ways to check your Amazon account card's balance. And if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.